Margaret. I love you. Mahal na mahal ka ni Mama. Mag-ingat ka dyan.
Marga, thank you for everything and take care in Canada pa.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey bebeng, mag-iingat kayo palagi ng mami mo. Mabilis lang yung araw. Tignan mo, susunod, malapit na ulit kayong umuwi dito. Mamimiss namin kayo. Lagi kayo mag-iingat, lagi susunod sa mami mo. Miss you, love you.
Hi Marga, I just wanna say that I really miss you na talaga. I'm sorry hindi ako nakatid doon ng McDo kasi nagkasakit nga ako. Tapos next time na lang magkita tayo ulit. Magkwentuhan ganyan. Oh, I really miss you.
Hi Marga, this is Kuya Enzo. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo or i-message sa'yo ay palagi kang mag-iingat. Enjoy mo yung school mo palagi dyan sa Canada. Make new friends, have fun, at enjoy life, enjoy school. I'm so glad or happy na nakabalik ka ulit dito sa atin sa Pilipinas sa punta at magkita-kita ulit tayo magpipinsan. Ang one ko lang para sa'yo is mag-iingat ka palagi. Ayun, sabi ko na mag-aral kang mabuti. Ingat ka dyan sa Canada. Enjoy dyan. Enjoy sa mga friends mo. At sana soon makabalik ka ulit dito since kakaalis nyo lang nung January 9 ata. January 9. Yun, I hope safe kayo palagi dyan. Yan, always be humble at happy. Yun lang. Yan. Mag-iingat kayo dyan palagi. Mag-iingat po kayo ng mami mo. Ni Ate Bebe, mag-iingat kayo dyan palagi. At enjoy lang po palagi. Bye-bye.
Hi Marga, this is Ate Kim. And remember always that I love you so much. And mag-aral ka ng mabuti at makinig ka lagi sa mami mo. I love you. Bonjour. Mwah.
Hi Marga! Thank you sa pagbisita. Ingat lagi kayo ni Mami. Hope to see you soon again after ilang years. Sana mas maaga. Basta laging susunod kay Mami, ha? Be, ingat lagi. God bless. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Hi, bebeng. Miss ka na namin. Ingat po lagi dyan and God bless. Mag-aaral ka pong mabuti ha. Love you. Bye. Baby. Happy.
Marga, ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Lagi ka pong susunod sa mami mo at lagi ka pong mag-aral mabuti. God bless and miss you.
Hi, Ate Marga. I miss you. Ingat ka po dyan. I love you. Thank you for everything.
Hi Marga! Ingat kayo sa flight niyo bukas.
Hi boss, salamat nga pala sa pag-libre. I appreciate it very much. Sana lang kasi aalis ka na agad. I hope you stay safe and mag-ingat kayo sa biyahe. Sana magtagumpay ka sa lahat ng iyong gagawin.
Hi Marga, thanks for the treat and kahit marami kami, yapain pa rin kami. Thank you ulit. Have a nice flight. Bye-bye.
Hi Marga, masasabi ko lang is goodbye and have a safe flight home sa Canada. And sana masaya ka naman dito for a whole month in the Philippines. And sana masaya ka with our friends also. And masasabi ko lang is kind of a bit of a story kasi 3 days mo lang akong nakasama at saka nakita, at saka 3 days na kita nakita at saka nakasama, pero in those 2 days masaya pa rin. Kaya thank you for coming back and also goodbye and have a safe flight home. Sana mas madami pang saya mo sa Canada and mas madami ka pang adventures, even though meron ka na mga matadaming adventures sa Canada. Yeah, bye-bye.
Hi Marga! We miss you po. Sana bumalik ka na sa Canada. Ay, sana
Okay lang yan. Sana bumalik ka na sa Philippines as early as possible. We miss you po. Thank you for being a good friend kahit through this pa lang tayo nagkikita. We miss you so much.
Hi, Be! Ang saya nung week na andito ka. Like talaga, like parang, I think that's the longest I've spent with someone like in a row, ganon. It was really fun. Kahit nag-chat, kahit di tayo naka-chat Empire, kahit di lang tayo barbecue, ganon. O, nagsulat tayo dun sa, lola, mga ganon. So, mo ka ba nun?
Oo.
Hindi.
Ay, oo nga pala. Nung group list na tayo nagsama tayo.
Hindi, wala ako 10 minutes. Nagtakot ako.
Tapos,
Pero kahit saan tayo, nag-hang out, ang saya pa rin and I really had a fun time. I will miss you. I hope you have a safe ride.
again, gaya nga ng sabi ni Shella, actually, this is also my first time na parang, for some reason, ang bilis ng oras. Like, I didn't know na I'm having a good time kasama ka.
Nga, sana chismisan.
Diba?
Oo.
Parang ang bilis ng oras, lalo yung kahapon.
Parang
bago ko.
chismisan lang tayo 5 o'clock.
Kaya nga,
Nag-blink ka.
ayun pala, 4 hours ago na pa rin nakalipas. We miss you talaga, Viva. Bye.
Hi Marga, thank you sa memories sa pagbalik mo dito and ingat ka sa flight mo. See you soonest. Ingat.
Hi Marga, have a safe flight.
Marga, have a safe flight. Love you.
The necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside. Time's forever frozen still, so you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.